Hey everyone, this is Romaen from Renphotosclub.com. This is an online photography platform for beginner photographers to learn the art of photography. Why photography? Well, photography is used pretty much everywhere these days. Most people do have a mobile phone at least, or if you have a DSLR, you might be wanting to know how to use it properly, how to get the most out of this rather expensive tool that you've just bought. But even with a mobile phone, even if it's just taking photos of your kids at home, or if you want to build a brand or take better photos of your products, these are all instances in where having a good photographic skill can really help to build your business or really enhance your photos at the end of the day. So why should you use Renphotosclub? Well, I am a professional qualified photographer. I qualified through the Market Photo Workshop in Newtown, Johannesburg. And I have over 10 years experience in the field, photographing all sorts of things, from weddings to events to lifestyle. I actually studied photojournalism, which kind of makes you ready for any sort of scenario. I think experience is really important in this aspect because it takes years to really develop your style and to develop photography as a skill. But learning these basics from the beginning will help you to get there faster, or will help you to really start to know and understand where you can start making better photos. So I really hope that you will enjoy the tutorials that I've put together for you. The good news is that there's a lot of free content available both here and on the YouTube channel. So you can either subscribe to the YouTube channel or you can register as a free user here and have access to both. There is also a paid option. This is so that you can send me your work so that I can give you personalized feedback on your work. I think this is a really important step because it's important to realize where you're struggling and where you're going wrong and how to improve on those specific things. And the only way I can help you with that is with personalized feedback. So it's basically like a coaching, and it helps you to develop in the areas that you want to develop as a photographer. So please go to the YouTube channel and subscribe. You'll see there's a little red button on the bottom here that you can click on to subscribe to the YouTube channel. And then click the little bell icon to get notifications whenever there's a new video available. This will help me to increase my followers and help us to grow as a club. Otherwise, I really hope that we will start to see some of your work soon. I really look forward to seeing it and see how you are improving as a photographer and how these tutorials are really starting to help you. Yeah, give us a comment and give me some feedback. Hopefully I will hear from you soon. Cheers.